Today's prerequisites will include Notepad and an internet browser such as Chrome or Edge. As for an agenda, we'll create a simple website. We'll use HTML for the layout, CSS for the styling. Let's start by creating a directory to play in. I'll use non-zero days simple HTML. Next, let's open a Notepad instance. I'll start by populating Notepad with a basic HTML layout. Next, I'll add some inputs. Then, I'll apply a class to one of the inputs. Now we'll save what we just typed up as a simple HTML file in a directory we created. Let's open it up and see what we created. Back to the HTML, let's add some styling to this submit control. Let's save that, and then let's view it in the browser. Refresh. Ta-da! Obviously this blue is a little harsh. Let's change it to something a little softer. We'll save that, and then we'll refresh again. That's much better. We can extract this styling to its own node. Now, that primary class is being targeted for this style. Let's make sure that styling is still being applied. It is! We can also extract this style to its own file. Let's do that now. We've moved the style contents to its own file. We'll save this as simple.css. We'll add a link element here with the relationship of style sheet and the hypertext reference of simple.css, the name of our file. Now we can save this, run over to the browser, and refresh. For the final part of today's exercise, we'll implement Bootstrap CSS on our website. Bootstrap is a pre-assembled framework of styling and scripts that will help make our website look a bit more appealing. There are many features included in this framework, and I recommend reading more in their documentation. Let's begin simple. Start by navigating to this link provided in the description below, and scroll down to where it says CSS. We'll copy this link over the existing link in our code. Then we'll change the class of our input to button and button primary. We save that. We'll refresh over here. Today we've played a bit with HTML and a bit with CSS. We've learned how to link our own stylings as well as implement CSS from the framework Bootstrap. If you have more time, feel free to read through and play with some of the elements in the HTML living spec, or browse and try out the examples in Bootstrap. If you don't have more time, congratulations on making it through today. It's a non-zero day.